Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dan Hekal bin Mama Omar. My student ID is 2020458336 and I am from AT1104G. So I'll talk about innovation to control weeds for this subject, AGR244. So for the introduction, weeds are plants that are unusual, persistent, and interfere with the growth of desirable plants. They are undesirable because they harm cropping systems, natural systems, and human activities. So there's a few ways how to control weeds. So for this presentation, I'll talk about around 7 ways to control weeds. For the first part, it is a cultural control. We have 4 ways, 4 methods to control weeds. So the first one is ploughing. The second one is hand weeding or manual weeding. You just pull the weeds out just manually with your hands. The third one is a field sanitation, and the fourth one is mulching and cover crops. So for the second one, biological control, we usually use insect, disease, and livestock. So for this innovation, I took a lawnmower as my equipment that I want to upgrade it. I want and upgrade it. So I upgraded it with just a few things. I added it with a low pressure garden sprayer that it can spray. It can spray herbicides manually herbicides. So for the material, we will use 1 gallon white vinegar, 1 cup of salt, 1 tablespoon of liquid dish soap, and a lawnmower, and also a low pressure garden sprayer. So why white vinegar? Why salt? And why liquid dish soap? So these 3 materials is actually proven that it can kill weeds manually. You can just put it and it can prevent weeds. So I plan to place the nozzle sprayer at the bottom of this lawnmower, and then there will be a button at the top of at the handle that you will push and will spray the herbicides. So for the costing, number one, materials for white vinegar. Price per unit is actually 13 ringgit 49 cents, and quantity use is only 1 gallon. 1 gallon in a liter is 4 liter, if I'm not mistaken. So we will only use one bottle. Salt for 2 ringgit and 20 cents. Liquid dish soap for 9 ringgit and 29 cents. Lawnmower is a bit pricey. It's actually 1,000 ringgit and 23 ringgit and 30 cents. And a low pressure garden spray is cheap. It only costs 1 ringgit and 79 cents. So the total that will be need for this innovation is 1,000 ringgit and 53 ringgit, 1,053 ringgit 65 cents. Sorry. So for the conclusion, this innovation is an upgraded version of basic lawnmower. You can find in machinery shop. This innovation is also two-in-one machine, making it easier to do your work. So that's all from me. Thank you very much.